Have you been counting calories every day, doing exercise, but still gaining weight? Or wonder how come some people eat whatever they want and still lose weight, but you simply gain weight by drinking water? Hey guys, this is Anne. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, I mentioned I lost 60 pounds in less than a year. No dieting, no exercising. I know that's the most important part, right? And a lot of people have been asking me. So today, I'm going to give you guys my top 4 tips that actually work and work in a very efficient way. They are all around this one magical word that I'm going to talk about next. If you're new here, consider subscribing. So you probably heard about the apple vinegar dieting or eating protein dieting. One of the things that they all try to do is to boost your metabolism. And as long as we know how metabolism works, the weight loss journey will be so much easier. So are you ready for those simple but shocking tips? Number 1, don't overheat your house. In Asia, we don't use the same central heating system. Scientists claim that you can shiver yourself slim by simply turning the heat down a few degrees. A little cold a day keeps the doctor away. Your body tends to keep an even temperature, so when the surrounding environment temperature changes, your body works extra hard to keep it even, which is burning calories. So in summer, if you don't want to do exercise, just go to the swimming pool twice a week and just walk in the swimming pool. You will see the result totally different. Tip 2. Don't starve yourself. Instead, replace your snack with something healthier, such as a boiled egg, or maybe dry sweet potato. Losing weight doesn't really require eating less. It just requires the right selection of food. It seems that in America, every meal comes with a snack afterwards. In China, we don't have snacks. You're more likely to see people munch on an apple instead of like chocolate bar. If you want to lose weight fast, boiled eggs is the way to go. In case you haven't heard about this new dieting method this year, so this guy lost 24 pounds in 2 weeks by using his egg dieting. I put the link in my description section. It also has a recipe in it. So this method is kind of like what I did when I lost weight dramatically, but I didn't even realize it at that time. I started losing weight dramatically when my mom came to help me after I gave birth to my son. She was doing the cooking part, and I remember my husband asked me all the time, like, where did all the egg go? So he literally had to buy 3 dozens of eggs every week. So in China, especially in older generation, people believe women who gave birth to a child should stay rest for at least a month and eat 2 eggs a day. Chinese diet therapy believe that eggs not only bring great nutrition to the body, but also that eggs have special benefits to our health, such as the stage after labor or long-term illness. Especially boiled egg, they're very filling, and you won't constantly feel hungry. It's a perfect on-the-go food. So whenever you're hungry, and don't say you forgot or you don't have time, because convenience store has it all the time. So next time, boil some egg in advance and then just take them with you. It sounds easy, isn't it? It is. The second part of this video is coming next week. I upload videos every Tuesday. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment in the comment section. Let me know how this worked for you. Thank you.